it's Kim, and I wanted to share a little pumpkin Halloween with you. And I used my Big and Easy dies, the pumpkin die, and as you know, it is an A2 size, so it can go on an A2 card. However, you can turn it into its own card, which would be a shaped card, and decorate that and mail that off. So my envelope is the torn edge because I feel like it just kind of goes with Halloween. And then I turned my pumpkin, which can certainly be fall or it could be Halloween. I turned this one into Halloween. I dismantled my two pieces, and this is my outline piece and this is my layering piece, and you can make it into a shaker card as well. But for this card, I turned it into a shaped folded card. So let's take a look at what I did. And let's take a look at the card first because that is certainly fun. And I have polka dots on my background and just a simple little Halloween. And then this is going to open up this way for me to put my message in. So how did I make that? I folded my cardstock. I did white cardstock, and you can see the edge right there. And what I did is I folded it and then I placed the die above it. So my fold is a little bit below the stem right there. So when it goes through the die cut machine, that fold remains to be able to keep it open for you to have a shaped card. And then what I did is I cut it out one more time in the black and white polka dot to lay it on top to kind of create the full effect because I didn't want to have my card missing the arch, the top there. Then what I did is I took my layering piece in orange and cut that out again and placed it on top, glued it on top of there. And there you have my white cardstock becomes the fold, the polka dot becomes the decor, and then the orange becomes the final decorating piece on top. So you've got a Halloween card used with the Big and Easy that can certainly fit into your A2 envelope, and it is ready to be mailed. All right, you guys enjoy working with your Big and Easy A2 size cards and dies. Enjoy.